One of the most common drinks that most people consume daily can be the worst thing for your heart. It's a drink found everywhere, on grocery shelves, in restaurant menus, and even marketed as refreshing and energizing. But beneath that enticing fizz lies a serious threat to your heart, brain, and even your bones. In today's video, we're diving into the worst drink for your heart, exposing the hidden dangers it poses to every part of your health. We'll unpack its shocking effects and reveal the healthier options your body will thank you for. Welcome to Levitas. The effects of this drink doesn't only affect the heart, it also has a huge impact on reproductive health and is often underestimated. Consuming it regularly can disrupt hormone balance, leading to a cascade of issues, especially for women. The high sugar content found in this drink can affect estrogen levels, impacting menstrual cycles and even fertility in the long run. For men, there's also reason for concern. Studies have shown that consumption of refined sugars from these drinks can lead to lower testosterone levels and reduced sperm quality. But it's not just about hormones. The massive insulin spikes from these drinks can contribute to insulin resistance, which has huge effects on reproductive health for both men and women. High sugar intake is associated with an increased risk of polycystic ovary syndrome in women, which can disrupt menstrual cycles and contribute to fertility challenges. It's a complex web of effects, making this popular beverage a quiet but potent disruptor of reproductive well-being. The most concerning effect of these drinks on cardiovascular health centers around the sugar load. Drinking them frequently can lead to an increase in blood sugar levels, which stresses the heart over time. This constant influx of sugar leads to an insulin response, contributing to insulin resistance. When the body struggles to manage blood sugar, it puts added strain on the cardiovascular system, heightening the risk for hypertension and cardiovascular disease. This drink is also notorious for promoting weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, a type of fat closely linked with heart disease. The additional calories are stored as fat, increasing cholesterol levels and clogging arteries. Over time, this drink's acidic nature can affect arterial walls, which may lead to chronic inflammation and raise blood pressure, putting even more stress on the heart. Combined with the high sugar content, this cocktail of ingredients makes it one of the worst choices for heart health, a silent contributor to cardiovascular issues that are entirely preventable with healthier choices. Your brain is also at risk from regularly consuming refined carbs, which can harm cognitive health in surprising ways. High sugar levels can interfere with memory and learning. This occurs because excessive sugar intake triggers inflammation in the brain, leading to oxidative stress, which damages brain cells over time. Brain regions linked to memory and mood are particularly vulnerable, meaning that over time, regular intake can lead to issues with concentration and even increase the risk of depression and anxiety. Moreover, studies have linked this beverage with a higher likelihood of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The sharp insulin spikes from sugar led to insulin resistance, which reduces the brain's ability to utilize glucose effectively, a key factor in cognitive function. This chronic imbalance means that memory, mood, and overall brain performance are impacted, illustrating that this seemingly harmless drink is far from innocent when it comes to brain health. The gut microbiota, a complex ecosystem of beneficial bacteria, plays a key role in digestion, immunity, and even mood. This high sugar drink, however, disrupts this balance, reducing beneficial bacterial diversity and encouraging the growth of harmful bacteria. These drinks are particularly harmful because their sugar is quickly absorbed, bypassing the typical digestive processes and feeding bad bacteria that thrive on sugar, leading to dysbiosis, or an imbalance in the gut flora. This gut imbalance is more than just a digestive issue, it's connected to inflammation throughout the body. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to leaky gut syndrome, where the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing toxins and particles to enter the bloodstream. This can result in chronic inflammation, which exacerbates other health issues like cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Additionally, gut health directly influences mental health, meaning that an imbalance may also lead to mood disorders, making sugary drinks a multifaceted threat to both body and mind. Frequent consumption of sugar has a direct impact on bone density and strength. The high acidity of these drinks affects calcium absorption, making bones weaker over time. When calcium levels in the blood drop due to poor absorption, the body pulls calcium from bones to compensate, leading to decreased bone density and an increased risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially in aging populations. Additionally, these drinks often contain phosphoric acid, an ingredient known to leach calcium from bones. The excess phosphorus disrupts the delicate balance of calcium and phosphorus required for healthy bone maintenance. Over time, this imbalance can cause bones to become brittle, compromising skeletal health and increasing the risk of fractures. Children and teenagers who consume these drinks are especially at risk, as their bodies are still developing and require optimal calcium levels for growth and bone health. In the long run, this acidic, sugary beverage could undermine bone strength, putting individuals at greater risk of mobility issues later in life. Now that we know its terrible effects on our overall health, what is the number one worst drink for your heart and how to replace it? It's sugary drinks and sodas. With their high sugar content and acidic ingredients, they directly undermine cardiovascular health, contributing to weight gain, high blood sugar levels, and increased cholesterol, all of which burden the heart. These drinks lack any nutritional value and, instead, overload the body with sugar, leading to insulin resistance and the accumulation of harmful visceral fat that puts stress on the heart. Fortunately, replacing sugary drinks with healthier options is simple. Start by reaching for water flavored with lemon or lime, with a dash of natural allulose for a hint of sweetness without the sugar overload. Herbal teas, unsweetened iced teas, and sparkling water are other great options that keep you hydrated while sparing your heart from unnecessary sugar. If you're craving something sweet, try an infused water with berries or cucumber for a refreshing and heart-healthy option. Not only will these replacements help protect your heart, but they'll also benefit your overall health, supporting everything from brain function to gut health and beyond. Each sip of these sugary drinks may seem harmless, but the effects add up, impacting multiple systems in the body. Replacing these with healthier choices offers a profound improvement for your heart, bones, brain, and more. In conclusion, it's clear that the choice of beverage can have profound effects on the body, far beyond what we might realize at first. The hidden dangers in sugary drinks, often brushed off as harmless, can create a cascade of issues across various vital systems. Starting with reproductive health, the impact on hormone levels and insulin resistance lays a quiet, but powerful foundation for imbalances that can lead to issues like PCOS and fertility challenges. Moving to cardiovascular health, the high sugar content and acidity led to weight gain, cholesterol buildup, and inflammation, all of which directly strain the heart and increase the risk of disease. In the brain, sugary drinks contribute to cognitive decline, memory issues, and mood disorders, potentially escalating to neurodegenerative diseases as insulin resistance takes its toll on cognitive functions. But it doesn't stop there. These beverages also damage the gut microbiota, essential for digestion and immunity, and promote a pro-inflammatory environment that harms health on multiple fronts. And let's not forget bone health. The acidic components in sugary drinks leach calcium, weakening bones and increasing the risk of fractures. Given these widespread effects, it's no surprise that sugary drinks are considered the number one worst drink for your heart. By choosing heart-healthy alternatives like flavored water or herbal teas, you're not just protecting your heart but supporting a healthier body overall. Each small change creates a ripple effect, sparing you from the silent, cumulative harm of sugary beverages. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.